Refer to the instruction for more functions. Step 1. Take out 2 pieces of foam that in the front and rear from the box. In accessory box, there is a charge, a value extension, a screw, an Allen key, a NFC card, an instruction book, and a warranty card. Please check it. Step 2. Take the head of the e-scooter out of the foam. After that, and then connect the head harness to the front tube harness. Insert the head of the e-scooter into the front tube. Take out the handle and lift the front tube up. Lock the handle after the front tube locked. Turn the screws to tighten the front tube and the hub respectively. Step 3. Take the e-scooter out of the box. Step 4. Remove the protective cover of the charging port and connect it with the charger as shown. Notice, please charge thoroughly to activate the e-scooter for the first use. Short press the function button to turn off the product and press it for about 3 seconds to turn it off. Finally, your e-scooter is ready to be used.